Krishna said, now what? Arjun said, my dear Lord, how can I live after abusing my brother like this? Krishna said, there is a solution for that also. He said, the solution is that anybody who praises himself, self-praise is as good as suicide. In one sense, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all suicidal attempts, basically. Very good. I'm happy you're clapping. So Arjun, at that point, Bhagavad Gita begins. Krishna starts speaking. Arjuna is crying and Krishna is smiling. Only a smiling Krishna can help a crying Arjun. Today, people are in quicksand. Silversmith threw the metal into the furnace and sat watching it. That's it. So this lady who read this sentence in the scripture, she got confused. What it meant, she didn't understand. I'll repeat. He, the silversmith, threw the metal into the furnace and sat watching it. So this lady decided, I'll go to a silversmith and actually see what he does. So she went and she saw a silversmith and she saw what that fellow was doing. And he did exactly what it was written. He took a piece of metal, threw it into the furnace and sat watching it. So she asked him, why are you sitting watching this? The silversmith said that if I don't watch this, if I don't remove it at the right time, it will burn. And she realized, that's it. He, the silversmith, God, threw the metal into the furnace. All of us are like metal, threw into the furnace called life. And he sat watching it. So God throws us into the burning furnace of life, where we go through challenges, so much anxiety, so much trouble. But we have to remember that He is sitting and watching it, watching us. She asked him a question. She said, how will you know that it is time for you to remove? It doesn't get burnt. And the silversmith gave a very interesting answer. He told her, when I can see myself in it, then I know it's time to remove it. That means when God puts us in a furnace called life and we are boiling and burning, the metal is transforming actually into silver. And how does God know this is the perfect time to remove the metal? When He can see Himself in it. That means when we manifest divine qualities, that is the time God removes us from this furnace. And therefore, in life, when we go through troubles, when we go through troubles and anxieties, we have to remember, He, the silversmith, is throwing us into the furnace called life and waiting, watching us. And when we exactly show the right composure, when we exactly show the right qualities, which are divine qualities, it's time for us to come out of the furnace. Define what is life in one word. In one word, life means sacrifice. If you understand this as the essence of life, then you have got the meaning of life. Those who try to live life for themselves, they remain the most unsatisfied people in the world. And those who try to live life for others, they remain the most deeply satisfied people in the world. And therefore, what we are studying in the Mahabharata today is this sequence